Hello, my YouTubers. I'm here for the final episode of Doghouse Restoration. I know I've taken a break for a while for a lot of my other projects, but now I'm ready to finish my doghouse. So you see, I got this part of the porch put on, so now I'm going to attach the roof, and then once the roof is attached, I'm going to attach the pillars. So first of all, I'm going to pull this out of here a little bit so I can get in here, and I got my screws and my drill, and then we come around here where, whoops, I can get in here to put the final touch on. So as you can see, I'm now attaching the roof. So I got some of these screws and my drill, and I will attach it. I think I hit my other drill, so I gotta watch how I'm putting it. Make sure I get it in the right spot. So I'm going to the wood, not the other drill. Okay, do one there. And let me do another one here just to make sure I get on there good. So let me just see if I can fix it and get you in there the right way. I think it might be the same as my drill. I gotta check that. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Get this exactly where I want it. Screws just aren't wanting to go in. I think it might be. I think it's these screws. I don't have a chip on them. Let's see. I think it's better. I thought these were good wood screws. Let's see. Let's try. This one makes a little bit more sense. Let's see if this one will work. Hopefully it will. A little bit better, because I want to make sure this roof is on here good. So okay, well, that seems to be on there pretty good. Just right here. Okay, well, now that I got that attached, I can attach the pillars on the side. Okay, this one, there. And this is the one that's going to go right here. So that one there now. And now I gotta put one up here on the roof into the pole. So we'll use one of hopefully these screws here will work better. Let's try it. These would be good wood screw. Okay. So we got that side attached. Now attach the other side. So for this side, I had to make an extra little piece since it didn't sit directly on here. Sorry, I gotta stand back a minute. There's a bee. Whoa. That's the only problem with me working in my backyard is sometimes I get unwanted guests, like my striped little flying friend here. Oh, get out of here. Go away. So, okay, now back to this. We're going to put, so this is going to go right here, so. Got that one there, and this one, go right here. I need a longer screw for this one. Which I don't have there, so let me look in my toolbox where I have all my screws and stuff. Let's see if I can't find the right one. Most of these are all flat tips, but one on the other one there will work. Okay, so camera fell over. There we go. Let me see if I can find me a good long. Here we go. This should work perfectly. Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You know, when I was looking at it going, things about my God.
Cool.
That's not cool. Thank you.
Yeah, see, I'm a big Kings fan, but my son isn't really, so you don't like it too
I'm a
good.
Clipper fan.
Yeah, he's more into the Clippers. Let me fix my camera so you guys can see me more. There, that should be better. You guys should see me better now? Okay, so let me get this. I realized that on that side, it more of a lip than on this side, but it's okay, because gonna be. So make sure that this piece here is centered. I guess this screw isn't as good as I thought, so. Let me see if I can find something a little bit better. I think it might be too skinny. This isn't working good. So when you find something that's not as flimsy. But this is why it's always good to just keep random screws and bolts and stuff around. Which is what I do, so. See if I can find me a good one. Whoops. That explains why my camera keeps falling over, because I got on top of where I keep all my screws. So I'm about done my house. Like I said, this will probably be the last video for Doghouse restoration. Because once this house is done, ooh, here we go. This might actually work. There's a couple different screws here. This one should be long enough, so here we go. Okay. And the little black piece goes way over there. Okay, we're good to go. This should go good now. So we're going to put this right here where it's supposed to go. This is about where we want it, so we're going to get it lined up. Why this getting all crooked on me? Let's see how much time I got left. That's not what I was supposed to do. Okay, so I still got time, so I might hopefully I have enough time to finish this video today. But if not, I can always show you guys next time what my house is going to look like when it's complete. Keeps doing what it's not supposed to do. in there like it's supposed to, because there's a space right there that there shouldn't be. Why there's a space there when there shouldn't be a space there. But let's see how much time. I still got 5 minutes, so. So there's just gonna be a gap there for some reason, so I'm just gonna leave it and go with it because I don't wanna. Now I will put this other one in the top here. Then I gotta attach the there's like a baseboard to the bottom of the porch. And then once I do that, my doghouse will be complete. Now I'm gonna get this part lined up here. Okay, well, that is the main bit for my doghouse. Whoops. Next, I'm going to put this board on the bottom to give it some support. Because this will make it stand up off the ground a little bit so that it won't get falling apart or nothing too much. So, get out of there. What? Cool. Sorry, people. That bee is back. So you might not really see me finish my house because the bee is getting away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Yeah, it is. Okay, well, sorry for that interruption, people. I was watching my feed, but how much time I got left? But there's a bee, so it's been bugging me, but I think I'll find now the house is done. I'm going to put the last pour on the porch, and then the house will be done. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my my doghouse restoration videos, and I will see you guys next time. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, because I'm going to finish here. Yeah, probably.
It's flying!
Where?
It's on you! It's on you, Dad!
Where?
Your thing!
My what thing?
Look on your pants!
What?
Look on your pants!
My what?
Look right there!
You need to tell me. You can't just say my thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Well, I'm trying to... No, I'm not bringing the bee in. I'm trying to keep the bee away from me. Cool. Okay, well, anyways, I'm probably running out of time, so goodbye.